How to set up Microsoft Teams and Zoom for your LevelUp account. Corporate training often requires a personal touch, where trainers sit face-to-face with their trainees for a one-on-one session or an online webinar. To make it possible, LevelUp allows you to create meeting sessions on Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Here, we will learn how you can integrate Microsoft Teams and Zoom with LevelUp, so that you can set up virtual learning sessions whenever you want. To get started, log into LevelUp with your admin credentials. Click on the profile image at the top left corner of the screen and then select the account ID from the drop-down. You will be redirected to the account page. Scroll to the bottom of the page, where you will find options for setting up meeting platforms. Now, let us see how you can set up Microsoft Teams. Simply click on arrow beside Microsoft Teams Setup. In the pop-up that opens, enter your tenant ID, client ID and client secret. You will also need to enter the details of the tenant email ID from where all the Microsoft Teams meeting and live event invites will be sent. After entering the credentials, click on Submit and that's it. You are done. Setting up Zoom on LevelUp is equally easy. Navigate to the account page, click on the arrow beside Zoom Setup. In the pop-up that opens, you will need to enter your account ID, client ID and client secret. After entering the credentials, click on Submit. You will receive a notification that the credentials have been successfully updated. That's all you need to do. Simple, isn't it? Do check out our other tutorial videos to discover how you can use other exciting features of LevelUp to enhance your corporate training experience. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more interesting videos.